Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Jarvis Escott with What's Happening in Birmingham. Today I have the honor and pleasure of being with attorney Terrika. She is running for Jefferson County District Court, Place 7 on March 3rd, 2020 Democratic primary ballot. So Attorney Shaw, thank you for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
Great.
I appreciate the opportunity to speak to you today.
Well, thank you for coming in. As always, I always love when the candidates want to stop by my podcast and tell them why they run. They can share the platform and tell you, the voters, why they should vote for them. So let's start off with tell people a little bit more about yourself.
So my name is Terrika. I am a Birmingham native. I am a civil attorney. I currently work at the University of Alabama School of Law in the Elder Law Clinic, where I basically represent clients that are 60 and above. I also teach second and third year law students how to be lawyers, basically. Right. I call it training, lawyers on training wheels, basically. And I've just always wanted to be an attorney. I think that it's just always been a dream of mine, even as a little girl watching Matlock and Law and Order with my grandma and, arranging my dolls and arguing my cases. So I've just always wanted to do that. I always loved to talk, obviously, and love to read, which is, of course, a big, huge deal when you are thinking about being an attorney. You have to do a lot of reading. So I like to read for fun. So, yeah.
So why are you running for judge?
I'm running for judge because I have represented clients all over the state, also here in Jefferson County, of course, and I've seen the people that come before these courts. I've tried those very cases that come before these courts, and I just noticed that the judges do not look like the people that they serve. They also don't have the background that I have. They don't sometimes represent the people. Most of the times, judges that are elected sometimes come from big firms or represent businesses. They are not necessarily people that represent the actual people that live in these communities as I have. So I decided that I would put my name in the hat and run for Jefferson County District Court Judge.
All right, so crowded field that you run. So why should voters choose you?
As I said, I'm dedicated to the people of Jefferson County, really to everybody in the state. I think that everybody should be afforded the opportunity to have a fair and equitable trial, regardless of their socioeconomic status, their level of education, or even their background. Like I said, I've tried these very cases that are before these judges. I actually teach students how to try these cases. So I'm ready, and I just want the opportunity to serve the people of Jefferson County.
All right, so if elected, what should voters expect? This is one of my favorite questions. If they're in your courtroom.
So most of the people that come before these courts are what we call pro se litigants, obviously. They represent themselves. They are rarely represented by attorneys. So I want everyone to know that when you come into my courtroom, you will be treated fairly, regardless of whether you have an attorney or not. You will actually be heard. I will hear your cases. I will make sure that you get the opportunity to speak, to tell your story. Make sure that you're just treated fairly and with respect in my courtroom.
All right. So you had a case that recently reached national headlines. Can you tell people about that?
So I, in the Elder Law Clinic, partnered with the domestic violence clinic at the university and also with a local criminal attorney. And we represented a client who was sentenced to life without parole for a drug offense. We filed a successful Rule 32 petition saying that her crime was, her punishment was cruel and unusual. The law had changed, so we were able to argue that case. And she was resentenced to life with the possibility of parole. And then we represented her before the parole board, and she actually was able to walk out of Julia Tutwiler prison on October 7th, 2019.
All right, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
A few more questions.
Sure.
I like to call this question more like the closing argument.
Okay.
So kind of look into the camera and kind of tell voters why on Tuesday, March 3rd, 2020, they should vote for you.
On Tuesday, March 3rd, 2020, I think you should elect a judge that is fair, that is compassionate, that will treat everyone with respect. I am that person. I am dedicated to the people of Jefferson County. I've tried these cases. I have the knowledge and experience that is needed to rule fairly on the bench. And so I would just ask for you to vote for me, Terrika Shaw, your next district court judge.
All right, so there's some other information you want to inform the voters too on the ballot.
Yeah, thank you for bringing that up, Jarvis. Basically, the ballot will look different this year. It won't look like the ballots that we've normally been voting on. The judges will actually be, the judicial races will actually be on the front page of the ballots this year. So when you vote, after you vote for your president, you will actually be able to vote for your judges in the different places. And also there will be a constitutional amendment on the ballot that basically deals with the local school board seats. If the amendment goes through, it will do away with the local school board seats, and there will be a commission that Governor Kay Ivey will have to appoint people to that commission to deal with, education issues and education rights for people across the state.
All right, well, thank you for kind of informing us of that. And also it's good that they're going to have the judges on the front ballot, because I feel like the judges mean more than presidential candidates, because 9 times out of 10, either you or somebody going to come for a judge. So
of course,
that's really good. So how can I get in contact with your campaign?
So you can check me out on my website at shawforjudge.com. Again, that's Shaw, the number 4judge.com. I am on Facebook at Terrika Shaw for District Court Judge. I'm on Instagram at Shaw for the Law. You can also check me out on Instagram, my personal page, Locked In Legal. And you can also check me out on Facebook at Terrika Shaw.
All right. Well, Attorney Shaw, thank you for coming
on.
Me. Good luck to you the rest of the race. Thank you all for watching the videos this evening. Please check out what'shappeningbirmingham.com for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to vote Tuesday, March 3rd, 2020. Thank you all again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.